Hi folks, I'll try to share with you all some real stories about why certain foods are called by their particular names. Maybe what I'm saying is true, maybe these are just stories made up by Papa and Grandma and Nana and Grandpa along the line, but I'll just share it with you for you to have an idea. I asked somebody, why is it called Anglo-Indian Railway Curry? And I got several answers, but the most funny answer I got was in the old days, in the days of the steam engine, and there were a lot of Anglo-Indian drivers, and the railways wasn't that techno-savvy, and you used to have the cows and other things roaming. So it seems that when the drivers hit a cow, they would take the dead cow, put it on the train, bring it home, and they will cut it up, and the wives had to cook it for them. And since it was a railway colony and there were lots and lots of Anglo-Indians around, one cow was good enough to be shared with a lot of people. And the second was, it seems in the old days when the drivers used to come home, especially in the days of the steam engine, and they would suddenly come home and the wives had to cook something fast. So they used to take the meat, vegetable, just throw it in together and make a fast meal. And that's why it's popularly called railway curry. Now how far this is true, I don't know. But this is something I'd like to share with you all, and I will share with you all several other dishes as and when I get the information. Have a nice day.